In this video, we're going to talk about how to make LeadConnecter email domain in HighLevel. Hey there, my name is Kerry. In this particular video, I'm going to answer that question by answering the following three questions. Question number one, how to set up a dedicated domain in LeadConnecter inside of HighLevel. Number two, how to set up DNS records for LeadConnecter. And number three, how to verify those DNS records for LeadConnecter. So we're going to hop out of here and into my sub account that I've set up for demonstration purposes in order to show you exactly how to do this. So you might land inside of a sub account on dashboard. Just scroll all the way down to the bottom, or if you see settings at the bottom already, click on settings. Then you can go into email services. And from email services, you're going to see perhaps a default provider already from, let's say you purchased your HighLevel sub account through a white label reseller. They might already have a default provider listed here similar to what this looks like. If not, it will show you nothing here typically, and it'll bring up a dialog that asks you to create a dedicated domain from the get-go. So in this case, it might look a little bit like this. So let me remove this and show you what it would look like otherwise. So we'll go to dedicated domain and IP. And then we're going to remove, let's delete this one here that you set up for a demonstration. We don't need it. And then we'll delete this other one as well. Domain, so I can show you what it looks like to set it up from scratch. Let's go back to SMTP service. This is what's going to happen. So I have a selected default provider coming from my white label SaaS, Marketing Engines A.I. And then this dialog is going to pop up: important notification, boost your email deliverability, dedicated sending domain for improved email delivery. So it says create dedicated domain. So you're going to click on that. It's going to bring you to a page that looks like this. This is where you enter your domain name. It suggests you use a subdomain such as LC for LeadConnecter or MG for Mailgun or something else if you want. So in this case, we'll use LC just like we had it. We'll use our same domain, securetrainingonline.com, and then we're going to click add and verify. Domain already pointing to email server. You already have MX and SPF records for this one, so it's going to ask me to create new. So I'm going to do that. We're going to do LC your domain name.com. So we're going to do the dummy one again, add and verify. And then what's going to happen is this is going to pop up, connect your domain subdomain. It's going to show you the URL you put in, lc.yourdomainname.com. And then you can click continue, and it'll try to find the registrar where that domain is and add the records automatically for you, or at least prompt you to how to do it for that particular registrar. Otherwise, I like to just use add record manually. And I'll click on that, and then we'll have these different records we need to create. We have a TXT record for the DKIM. We have a TXT record for the SPF. Then we have a CNAME record for mailgun.org. And then we have the two MX records also for mailgun.org, since LC or LeadConnecter uses Mailgun as its email service provider. So then once you add all of these records to your registrar where your DNS is, wherever your host, the domain name is registered, then you'll click verify records. Once you click verify records, it's going to show you not verified if you haven't added them yet, or if they haven't had time to propagate through the internet yet. Once they've been verified, these red not verified messages will turn to green verified messages. Then there's one more record you need to add at the very bottom. It's a brand new TXT record for DMARC. And they say that you should add this is after you've added the other records. So you'll put in dmarc.lc. If that's a subdomain, you'll use that for the host name, and then you'll grab this value here to be inserted into the values field for the DMARC record. And then once you've done all of that, you'll click verify domain again, and then all these should be green with verified. If they are, you're good to go, and you've added basically a dedicated email sending domain to LeadConnecter inside of HighLevel. And then you can start sending email from your HighLevel account through your new dedicated sending domain and should end up in the primary inbox, or at least the promotions folder, but not in the spam folder. You should be staying out of the spam folder by doing all this. So let me know if you have any questions regarding this. I'd be happy to answer them for you. Just leave me a comment below this video and I'll do my best to answer it as soon as possible. Okay, before you go, I want to share with you how you can get access to what I consider the biggest, best, and probably baddest HighLevel bonus package you'll ever find on the internet, worth darn near, if not over, $14,000. All right, so below this video, you can click on a link that will take you to this page you see in front of you. Once you see this page, you click this black button. This pop-up will pop up. You will enter your name, email address, and phone number. Click this black button, and once you submit your information, you'll be taken over to the HighLevel bonuses page that explains everything you're going to be receiving. So there's another talking head video of me explaining the benefits to my HighLevel bonus package. And if you scroll on down, you can see everything that's included, including my HighLevel Insiders flagship mastermind membership program that's absolutely 100% free just by signing up for either Marketing Engines A.I, my SaaS, or through one of my affiliate links for HighLevel itself. So you can get all the information you need about that on this particular page. This program includes HighLevel Masterclass for beginners. So this gives you a series of videos that will teach you everything you need to know about HighLevel. You will also receive a HighLevel Agency Masterclass for beginners. So if you are on the $297 agency plan or better, the Pro or SaaS white label plan, you will also have everything you need to know about configuring the agency and or white label Pro SaaS plan. From there, you're also going to get access to my Marketing Engines AI, various proprietary engines that I am building out in my Marketing Engines AI SaaS. You can get beta access to these. So the only ones that are going to be getting access to these before Marketing Engines AI actually officially launches on 5/25/25 are those who sign up through my affiliate link or Marketing Engines AI at this point as beta access users. So you're going to get access to the AI appointment booking engine, the AI birthday celebration engine, the AI sales funnel website engine, the AI lead alert engine, the AI reputation review engine, the AI customer referral engine, plus there's going to be several more of these engines added to Marketing Engines AI platform in the coming weeks and months ahead. On top of that, you're also going to get access to the foundation workshops. Now, the foundation workshops are built out to help you grasp the order of operations that are necessary in order to be proficient and be able to build things out in a timely manner for yourself and or your clients. So week number 1, we start with custom fields and custom values. Week number 2, we talk about forms and surveys. Week number 3, we talk about calendars. Week number 4, we talk about pipelines and opportunities. Week number 5, we talk about email services. Week number 6, we talk about phone numbers with the A2P10 DLC compliance and application process. Week 7, we talk about payments and invoices. Week number 8, workflows and automations. Week number 9, funnels and websites. Week number 10, trigger links and URL redirects. Week number 11, contacts, lists, and tags. Week number 12, conversations and conversation AI. Week 13, Google reviews and reviews AI. And week 14, communities and memberships, with more to come after that. You'll also be receiving marketing engine workshops specifically geared towards helping you fully understand each one of those aforementioned Marketing Engines AI engines that you're going to get beta access to. So reputation management service workshop, the customer referral service workshop, the birthday marketing service workshop, etc. You'll also get access to weekly live Q&A calls, so you get a chance to get all of your questions answered. and we'll keep you up to date with the latest tools, resources, strategies, tactics, and processes that you need in order to be successful with HighLevel. There's also a private community where you can mastermind with and get the support of a select group of like-minded individuals that are as committed to building their business as much as you are. And if you keep on going, you can read some testimonials, and I'll even tell you exactly how to cancel. You can cancel at any time, 24/7, 365, 366 if it's a leap year, and you can even cancel while you're on the pot. So I show you step by step on how to cancel your account if HighLevel is not right for you, or Marketing Engines AI. So again, this total bonus value is $14,099 and counting. I'm sure it'll be increasing as I develop and launch additional engines. And if you have any questions regarding what's all included in the bonus package or HighLevel Insiders, I have a frequently asked questions area that you can pretty much get all the answers to your questions there. However, if you have additional questions, feel free to reach out and I'll do my best to answer them for you. All right, once you've decided to sign up through my HighLevel link or through Marketing Engines AI, either one on this particular page, you will click one of these black buttons. Once you do that, it'll say try HighLevel now for free, and you will get a chance to either sign up for Marketing Engines AI, which I will give you a 30-day trial of it. So I give you a little better option than just signing up for HighLevel, where you can only get a 14-day trial. However, if you're not interested in signing up for Marketing Engines AI for whatever reason, and yet you want to get started with HighLevel, try it out, you can start your 14-day free trial of HighLevel on the starter agency plan by clicking this link. If you have already started a trial through another affiliate, but you have not yet paid, so you're still in the trial period, you can extend your free trial of HighLevel starter agency plan by clicking on this link. If you want, you can start your 30-day, this is actually a typo. You can start your 14-day trial of HighLevel Pro SaaS plan by clicking this link. And the best news is, even if you already have HighLevel through someone else and you're paying month to month or what have you, you can upgrade to the HighLevel agency plan from the starter plan. Let's say you're on the starter plan and you want to move up to the agency plan, you can upgrade here and still get access to all my bonuses, including HighLevel Insiders. You can also upgrade to the HighLevel Pro SaaS plan, which is the white label plan, by clicking on this link. Or you can purchase or upgrade to the HighLevel annual plan by using this last link. If you choose to upgrade to the white label Pro SaaS plan, then you will click on this link and it will take you over to this page here where it says upgrade to HighLevel Pro today. You will have to input the agency relationship number, which you can find right here, agency code. So you just copy and paste this in. And then of course you can use my code ZZYYZZX as well. And then if you are interested in only starting your 14-day free trial of the HighLevel Pro SaaS plan, and you click that link, it'll take you over here where you can see everything you're getting and click on start a free trial of the Pro SaaS plan today. All right, so that's everything that's included inside of my HighLevel bonus package. So just pick the option that works best for you, depending on your situation. If you have any questions about this, please let me know. You can either leave me a comment below the video, or if you know how to get in touch with me otherwise, you can send me a message via one of those other options. I'll do my best to get back to you in a timely manner. Thank you so much, and I look forward to helping you learn and advance your skill set with HighLevel inside of HighLevel Insiders. I can't wait for you to join us. Hope you have a good one. We'll speak with you real soon.